All right, friends, I want to quickly go over how to order on Young Living if you are a member and how to start ordering monthly through the ER Essential Rewards program. So, on the left hand corner, there are three marks. So, you click on that, and then you will be able to sign in from there. So, you'd sign in. Right now, I'm already signed in. So, then you'd go to virtual office once you've logged in. So virtual office, then to just start ordering, you'll click shop, and then it will ask you if you want to start ordering on their monthly program, which is their ER Essential Rewards program. So at this point, you'd say continue because you just want to shop for one item or so. So you'd click on the category you'd like and find kind of what you're looking for in the thieves line. So that's where I'm at right now. And thieves foaming hand soap, sure. So click on that. Right now I have three things in my cart. If I scroll all the way down, I will find those three things. Or I can go up above and click the cart at the right hand corner, and it will take me to those three items and it will show pictures of it. You can decide, oh yeah, I'm good. So then you want to check out. So you'll check out and continue. And then you'll either keep your address or change it whatever you're looking for. You'll select the category for delivery or sending your package, and you'll click on what you're wanting. Then you can go to next. This next one is if you are on the monthly rewards program, this option will pop up for you, Essential Rewards points. And these are your points. And you can click on those things, those items that you want to use your points for. So then you will click that. If you are not and you are not part of the program, you won't have that option and you'll just pay for it as is. So then you'd go to next step, and I'm not going to go there because that's finishing the payment and I don't actually want to do this. This is demonstration purposes. So I'll just go back. So that's how you shop. Okay, so continue. Then if you want to know how to become an ER monthly member, so you're a member of Young Living, but if you want to start ordering monthly and get rewards points for those orders, you will click on ER monthly order. And from there, you will go to my monthly order, or actually, if you're not monthly on the Essential Reward program yet, it will walk you through setting it up. Right now, I am a member, so it's not going to walk me through. So then I would just go to my monthly order whenever I want to order and change my order monthly. And then when you set up, you will be setting up for the first time your order for that month. You will be setting up your where you want it to be sent to, your address. You will be putting a card that will just stay in there and be it'll do auto pay. And then you will select a day of when you want the auto pay to go through and them to ship your package to you. So the 10th means it will pull the money and it will go through. It's not going to ship to me on the 10th. It will ship to me, several days later. So, especially now. So, view my order history. You can view all the order histories, your past orders before, right there. Anyway, so if you want to change your order, so every month when my package gets to me, I go in right away and I change my order. So I go change order. Then I will scroll down and I will delete those items I want out of there, and I will keep the items that I want there. These items I actually want to stay here because I've already deleted what I didn't want. And then I would go through and find the category, or if I knew what I was searching for, I would write it in the search bar right there. But one of the things that are really cool when you're on Essential Rewards, there are special items that are specific to people who are on ER, such as Essential Rewards kits. And these kits you can only get if you are on and ordering monthly. If you are just have an account to just shop, then you won't have these options. So the options are Everyday Oils Essential Rewards Kit. So if you click on that, you have a bunch of oils: frankincense, lemon vitality, lavender, melaleuca, and peppermint, and joy, and purification, pan away, thieves, and stress away. Awesome items in this kit. Only 133. That's so cool. So then the next one that's available is the Ningxia, and this is at 187. I've gotten this kit before just because you get 4 bottles of Ningxia and you get a 30 packet of the Ningxia packets, and that's such a great deal. So anyway, those two are pretty awesome. The other one that's pretty dang amazing is Thieves Essential Rewards. So all of the like a big majority of the Thieves line, and Thieves Essential Oil, Thieves Aroma Bright Toothpaste, Thieves Household Cleaner, Thieves Mouthwash, Thieves Foaming Hand Soap, Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier, Thieves Spray. And you get 2 bottles of those. All right, so that's pretty awesome. And it's only $118.50. So it's like when you first got started and you got a Thief Starter Kit, and that was $125 or $160 depending on when you ordered. And now it drops it down to $118. That's pretty awesome. So anyway, this is only for people who are on Essential Rewards. And then you can click on it and it will be added to your cart. And then you can save your monthly order. So for instance, if I wanted to add the Ningxia Red Essential Rewards, I would add it. And then I would, and by the way, when you reach a certain amount, they actually give you free stuff. So I would get free EndoFlex, free Longevity Vitality, free Deep Roll Relief, and Lavender Essential Oils. That's awesome. So I reached 165, but 190 PV is giving you all those free oils when you reach 190 PV. So anyway, so then you would go and save monthly order. And it says, congratulations, you saved. Awesome. So that is how you would start to use and start ordering monthly. So once you have ordered monthly, I want to show you something that's really cool. If you go into dashboard and then you go to summary, you will see what your monthly order is, what's in your shopping cart for if you're not on ER, and how many reward points you have, and then variable credits. Sometimes there's money in there, credit that they give back to you. And you will see your OGV, your overall group volume, and your PGV and your PV is 153. That's your personal volume. And then qualified rank is star for me. So then you would go, and if you want to look at your rewards points, you would click on details under rewards points. So click on that, essential rewards points. So this is how many rewards points I have at the top. Current earn rate is I'm at 20%. So that means whatever I purchase, I get 20% back. After 25 months, I will be getting 25% back for life, which is awesome. However, if you ever stop ordering monthly, you'll be dropped back down to 10% if you want to start up again. So once you reach 25 after 2 years and you drop out, it's kind of like a sad moment because you have to work your way back up to 2 years again to get that 25%. So I'm at consecutive months 22, and it tells you also when your points expire. So they give you a lot of time, at least a year, before you have to use your points. And then redeem your points. To redeem your points, you can click on here, shop to redeem points now, and you can go there, how to redeem your points. And then it tells you to continue, and you can read that. And then you shop. It literally takes you to shop. So you can't order anything on your monthly, you can't use your points on your monthly ER orders. So you'd have to go to shop, and then you can choose whatever you want. So right now I have all these items in there. And then you'd go check out. And this is where you would change, and you continue. And then it gives you the essential rewards points. You can click, you can click, if there is a box available to you, you can click that and use your points like that. However, okay, so there's one that doesn't have a box available. And I'm just going to go back 1, 2, and I'm going to click on Thieves. So here's an example of what you're looking for. If they have a purple tag on the side of the 3.25 PV, you can use it as you can use your rewards points on there. So here's one that doesn't. Thieves hand sanitizer does not have a purple tag. So you can't use your rewards points on that one, Thieves hand sanitizer. But you can use it on any of the other ones that have a purple tag right next to the 22.50 PV. And yeah, so you can use your points on any of the purple tag ones. If it's not purple tagged, then you can't use your points. All right. Well, I think I'm finished, and I hope that is helpful for people who are interested in ordering monthly and shopping and how to use your rewards points. So have a wonderful day.